What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are going back over the Springfield Armory Echelon. What we're going to be doing is decking this out by putting a CH Precision EDC XL red dot on it here. If you haven't heard of CH Precision, definitely check them out. I'll put a link down below. I also have a discount code through these guys. That being said, let's go ahead and get started here. First thing is make sure your gun's clear, and which it is. And next up on the Echelon here, they have their proprietary plate system here. And what we're going to do is remove the screws here because we do have the plate cover. So let's go ahead and get that off first. Perfect. With those off, we should be able to pop our plate off here. Yep, just like that. And then I'm going to take a rag and just wipe off all this excess oil here. And there you go. That's what it looks like here on the Echelon slide. You got a lot of holes on this bad boy, but that's because there's a lot of different options for red dots that you can mount. This thing will basically take anything from a, E-Flux from EOTech, Delta Point Pro, anything that's RMR footprint, Hollow Suns, or the CH Precision optics. You can put all of them on here. So pretty awesome design here. To do that though, provided with your Echelon in the box are these bags here, and you can see it says pin set 2, pin set 3. We have the Delta Point Pro E-Flex ones. We have the Shield pins as well. So basically whatever optic you're mounting or footprint, you need to go ahead and grab those pins out and then put them on the slide to make sure it lines up correctly and mounts. So now that we have the optics plate off here, the one thing to note is it actually comes with pin set 1, which is the RMR footprint. The tabs are already in here. I removed these and thought I had to swap them for a different one, but then I realized this is not the RMR, this is Shield. So I'm an idiot. Don't be an idiot like me. It already comes with the RMR, footprint here on the slide, under the slide cover. So I'm gonna set these aside in case I switch optics later. But once you remove the optic plate cover, you should be all set, and you can take your RMR footprint. Again, this is the CH Precision EDC XL. Find the spot, and right there it does fit. So now we just gotta put our screws down in, and we'll be all set. So it did take me a little bit to find the right screws. I have like a whole bag or box of screws for different optics I use. These are the Hollow Sun screws, and you do need the longer versions. You can see these are longer compared to what was on the, over here, this was what was on the optic plate cover here. So you do need longer screws here, just a heads up. But once you find the right ones, it's super easy to install. As I mentioned, we're gonna drop this guy on top here. And then I'm going to bring into screen. I have some blue Loctite. Always use blue Loctite for the optic plates or optics you're putting on your gun, because you don't want these things flying off. So I'm going to put a little dab of blue Loctite. And with that, I can grab our first screw. We'll drop them in. The other one, drop it in as well. And then now let's go ahead and get these started. All right, perfect. So it's as easy as that. You just got to make sure you have the right screw lengths for this slide here, because there's no plate adapter or anything like that, so you do need the longer ones. Once you have them in and you torque these down to about 10 or 15 here, the only thing left to do, or that I like to do, is grab our handy dandy paint marker, and just to make sure and check that these aren't going out, I like to mark these with paint so that way we can see. Not my best work, but it'll do. Good to go. So it's as easy as that for mounting an optic on the Springfield Echelon here. The only other thing I'm going to do to this before taking it to the range is add the flashlight here. I'm going to do a Surefire X300. Attach on real easy there, and that's about all you got to do to this guy, and you should be all set. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If it was, like and subscribe to the channel. Always appreciate that. Stay tuned. We'll have some more videos on the Echelon coming here, or I might have some up already, so go check those out. And if you have questions, let me know down in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.